What's going on, guys? This is Luke here, and today we're going to be playing the Chicken Feet DLC. So previous video we played a really strange horror game called Chicken Feet, and I noticed they had a DLC, so we're going to go ahead and play that and see what it's all about. Let's get right to it. Also, if you want to see more content like this one, you know what to do. Chicken Feet Breakout, and I can see somebody down there. I have no idea what this is going to be about, so I don't know what else to say. I have no idea how they're going to continue this, but let's see.
Are you regretful?
Yeah. Find a way out. Bro, throwing me right into this. I'm low-key kind of... Wait, so are we like... Oh, there's a lever. Pulling levers. Same as before. Sounds so close. I hate that. Yeah, I was right. So are we playing as like a scientist from like before the events of the previous game? That's what I'm picking up. What this game is putting down. This place is confusing. What the heck? What the heck? I don't understand. What was I supposed to do? I got that lever again. Can you even get in this room? I don't think so. Okay, the last time I hit this, he came sprinting in here, and there's a gap right here, so we're gonna try this. Bro, let me under. Oh my gosh, it's so dark in this little hole. Okay, so that is what we're supposed to do. I think that there's one more. I think that there's one more lever that we're supposed to get, because there was 3 lights at the door, if I'm remembering correctly. He's coming, bro. Frick. Yeah, I understand what that guy meant. He said no way. I was hoping that the other lever would be in there. It's not. Maybe there's in there. Maybe there's something in here. Well, let's go. We're making a run for it. Aha, you can't get me.
Burn all proof of Project Rebirth. It's too late to think about regret. We've lost our second chances. We've got work to do.
What the heck, bro? Yeah, okay. Okay. So I had to say this game is kind of predictable, but then that door shut on me. I was not ready for that.
Dedication to science. Warning, this facility is currently under lockdown. Employees are expected to shelter in place. All exits are locked until further notice. Please contact facility authorities for more information. An error has been detected in the elevator system. Contacting support teams. Take action as soon as possible.
Oh my gosh. Okay. The elevator falling?
Just out of reach. Maybe you'll do it. No. Maybe another day.
Complete level 1. Chaos. Bro, why do I recognize these? Bro. Reminded me of the previous video that I did on this.
Dr. Brand? Another ghost? Please, just leave me alone. I'm scared. I'm safe in here. I'm safe.
Alright, we'll leave you alone. I heard another set of footsteps for a sec. Heck no. Requires a valve. I'm guessing that there's gonna be some buddy wandering around over here. So we got hiding spots everywhere. Heck. I have a feeling it's not gonna be the chicken. It's gonna be the chicken.
This is Dan Brand of Sector 6. I'm hurt and bleeding. Bad
Yeah, I can
stomach
tell.
wound. I got attacked after getting separated from John and Charlie. And now I'm here. And it's not looking good. The radio's dead and I'm getting lightheaded.
Yeah, this guy's cooked.
Sophia, if you're somehow listening to this, just please know that I love you. I know things could have been better. I just wish I'd
Why did it
realized
start
sooner.
loading when I did that?
Once this is all over, we'll see each other again. We'll run far from this place, and we'll be free. Both of us. Under the stars. I promise. I just wish I had another chance.
Okay. Bruh. Bro. Can I run for it? Nice try, buddy. There's a key. we're chilling. Gosh, it's so dark in some areas. Is he still here? Yeah, he is. Just need to get past this fool. Let's go that way. Oh. God damn. It was scary. Okay. Bro. Oh, there's a guy. He's probably gonna... Okay. Disappear. What the heck is this? There's a screwdriver in there. Looks like there's nothing in there.
This is Ken, from Sector 1.
Nothing in there.
I should have left when I had the chance. This place isn't right. It distorts reality. I mean, Sebastian was born a completely healthy human boy. But as time went on, he became sick, unhuman, monstrous. And Cooper. Cooper was born a completely normal chicken, but he grew like a weed. Within a couple weeks, he was double the size of the others. And now, this happens. And I think I saw who did it. It was an older woman. She broke through the security and unlocked the cage. She looked vaguely familiar. Couldn't have been a former worker, though. Anyway, when she released Cooper, she yelled something. I couldn't understand all of it, but I'm almost certain she said Sebastian's name. I don't know. That doesn't matter now. I'm getting out of here. And so should you.
Let me guess, the chicken is right next to my exit. Door number 1 had a screwdriver. I don't even know what we need the screwdriver for yet, so. Did this wall just appear? Am I tripping? Or did this wall just... Bro. Can't be doing it like that. I feel like you could squeeze through one of these holes if you really wanted to. Alright, go left. It's my only hope. Yes. Find a way out. Bro. What the heck? Did the whole area just reorientate on me like that? That is so cheap. Who is here?
Attention all employees of Goober Laboratories. My friends, it's time to give up. We had a good run, but not all good things are meant to last.
What?
Thank you for your relentless dedication to science.
Thank you, and good night.
Shoot, I recognize that sound. Oh, I see. Let me in. Let's go. Split second. Alright, something's gonna come running from that direction. The door scared me so badly. What is it doing? Yeah, I called it. Holy crap! Second chances aren't promised out here? What? Same thing. Gotta get ready, cause the chicken's too fast. Come on, we can make it, bro. Go faster! Go faster! Go faster! Holy crap, this dude cannot run at all. Sounded like that chicken was whispering in my ear. Alright, that's mighty ominous.
I can't say you deserve this, but maybe you do. You've made it further than any of your colleagues. So, I congratulate you. But that doesn't mean you've won. Not yet. You're free to go.
Are you sure about that?
That.
Are you regretful, scientist? Regretful of the experiments? Regretful of my escape? Or something else entirely? Do you wish you could go back? Make different decisions? All you humans are the same. It's too late for that now.
All you giant chickens are the same.
However, you've been given a gift. You are the only survivor. The only one with a second chance. Never forget that. You and I, we share something special. We are alive, and many are not. Now run.
The heck? Am I outside? Still a cutscene. Get that survivor's guilt going though. Okay. So we survived. Okay. That wasn't that bad. That was actually a lot quicker than the previous game. Just a little backstory. Pretty hype. Really? Wow, that was quick. That's it. Okay. Alright, well, All right, well that's it. I mean, that was a quick game. I didn't. It was like half as much as the first game was, but I mean, I still something. Pretty interesting on the backstory. So, yes, we were playing as a scientist who was there doing the experiments, and we were the only one who made it out, I guess. So, it's interesting nonetheless. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace.